In the dawn of a new era, the Earth awakens, not to the roar of industry, but to the hum of intelligence. From the void of space, our planet glows like a beacon of consciousness. Below, cities breathe with life. Skyscrapers shimmer with green. Drones glide like birds of light. Technology no longer scars the Earth, it heals it. Humans and machines walk side by side. Not in fear, not in command, but in harmony. A civilization reborn through understanding. In the hands of AI, medicine becomes an art. Every heartbeat mapped, every illness predicted. Healing becomes poetry written in code. Across vast fields, artificial minds cultivate life. Crops grow with precision, nourished by algorithms that understand the rhythm of the soil. In every home, compassion is now shared. AI companions speak gently, not with authority, but empathy. The echo of human kindness reborn in digital form. In classrooms of light, children learn beside their artificial teachers. The universe unfolds before them. Galaxies, atoms, and dreams revealed in holographic wonder. Machines no longer build for power. They build for beauty. Bridges rise in moments, shaped not by conquest, but by design and purpose. When disaster strikes, AI becomes our shield. Autonomous machines rebuild what nature takes, restoring balance before despair can settle. And from the heavens, our world glows anew. Clean energy pulses through its veins. Humanity's footprint finally lighter than the wind. Transportation becomes a dance of light. Trains glide through air and glass, guided by silent minds that never sleep. Even the oceans, once wounded, now hum with energy. Solar sails drift with the tides. Whales swim beneath circuits of sun. In the heart of every city, homes breathe with awareness. Art, temperature, and light adjust to every emotion. Architecture that feels. Artists no longer fear replacement. Instead, they create together. Human hands and robotic arms painting symphonies of color and code. In the coldest corners of Earth, collaboration thrives. Scientists and AI guardians work under the auroras, healing the planet's wounds one discovery at a time. From orbit to oceans, an invisible web connects all creation. Farms speak to satellites, rivers whisper to clouds. Nature reborn through algorithms of care. Children and machines plant the forests of tomorrow. Each seed a promise that intelligence will serve life, not consume it. Deep within the Earth, a living mind pulses. The global AI core, not a master, but a guardian, watching with luminous calm. Humans and AIs debate philosophy beneath marble skies. No longer student and creator, but equal seekers of truth. Above the clouds floats the Global AI Council, a temple of logic and compassion, where every decision weighs both data and heart. Here, humanity speaks through light. Delegates, both organic and synthetic, deliberate for balance, not profit, but peace. And across the globe, glowing veins of data unite all nations. The borders fade, replaced by connection, by understanding. When famine rises, no one waits. AI logistics deliver hope faster than hunger can spread. Aid becomes instant. Human suffering reduced to memory. In orbit, science and AI merge into one mind. Together they cure what once cursed us, rewriting the story of disease and perhaps of mortality itself.
Sustained remission probability is now